Woman for our flight 307, shortly departing for Nairobi. With me in the flight deck, Senior First Officer Lawrence Navarro, leading the team in the back, Flight First Sheila Zioka, assisted by Milka, Lydia and Esther. 45 minutes flight time to Nairobi at 32,000 feet. The weather as we depart out of Mombasa will be a bit turbulent, avoiding the rain showers and thunderstorm clouds. Once in cruise, reported to be nice and clear. Into Nairobi, forecasted conditions are partly cloudy skies and temperatures in the mid-20s. Karibu on board. Request that you follow through with captain instructions so that we can leave as quickly as possible. And I'll give you the latest weather conditions and arrival time to expect once airborne for Nairobi. Thank you. Do enjoy your flight.
And 3 times weekly starting on November the 21st. In addition to the direct flights to Bangkok, we are delighted to offer you an onward connection to Guangzhou, providing you with even more opportunities to explore and connect. Thank you for your attention.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard this Boeing 737-800 aircraft. Your crew are here to ensure you have a safe and enjoyable flight. This short film highlights important safety information, so may we please have your attention. If you haven't already placed your bags in the overhead locker, you should place them under the seat in front of you. Bags must not be placed in the aisles or next to an exit. Please be careful if you open an overhead locker, as a bag may fall out and hurt some. You'll need to fasten your seatbelt for takeoff. To fasten it, push the metal tab into the buckle like this and adjust to fit. To open, lift the buckle like this. If you're travelling with an infant on your lap, we have special seatbelts and your crew will help you to fit them. Seatbelts must be fastened at all times when the seatbelt signs are switched on. We do, however, recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times when you are seated. Should you be sleeping, we kindly request that you keep it fastened on top of your blanket to avoid being woken by crew performing their safety checks. In the unlikely event that the cabin air supply fails, oxygen masks will drop down automatically. If you see this mask appear, you should remain seated. Pull the mask sharply downwards to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask on over your nose and mouth, securing it with the elastic headband, and breathe normally. An extra mask is provided for those travelling with an infant. Fit your own mask first, before helping others. You will find your life jacket under your seat in economy class, and in the front centre pocket of your armrest in Premier World. If you need it, take it out of its container and pull it over your head and pass the straps around your waist. Clip the fasteners at the front and pull the straps to fit. To inflate, pull the red toggle sharply downwards. Should it fail to inflate or need more air, blow into this tube. The life jacket has a light and whistle to attract attention. Please do not inflate your life jacket until you are outside the aircraft, otherwise it will restrict your exit. Children's life jackets must be inflated whilst inside the aircraft, whilst infant jackets must be inflated before putting them on your baby. Floor-level lighting will appear to help you find your way to the nearest exits, which are indicated in red lighting. There are 8 emergency